Investing in equities is an important investment that we make to generate inflation-beating returns. This was the conclusion we drew from the previous chapter. This week, let's check in detail about the stock market. Introduction. The stock market is the place where everyone who wants to buy and sell shares goes to. The purpose of a stock exchange: 1. Facilitate the exchange of securities between buyers and sellers. 2. Provide real-time trading information on the listed securities. Anyone who transacts in the stock market is called a market participant. There are 5 types of investors in the stock market. One. Domestic retail participants. These are people like you and me, transacting in markets. 2. NRIs and OCI. These are people of Indian origin, but based outside India. 3. Domestic institutions. These are large corporate entities based in India. A classic example would be the LIC of India. 4. Domestic asset management companies, or AMC. Typical participants in this category would be the mutual fund companies, such as SBI Mutual Fund, DSP BlackRock, etc. 5. Foreign institutional investors. Non-Indian corporate entities. These could be foreign asset management companies, hedge funds, and other investors. The regulator. In India, the stock market regulator is called the Securities and Exchange Board of India, often referred to as SEBI. The objective of SEBI is to promote the development of stock exchanges, protect the interest of retail investors, regulate market participants, and financial intermediaries' activities, etc. Key takeaways from today's session. 1. The stock market is the place to go if you want to transact in equities. 2. Stock markets exist electronically and can be accessed through a stockbroker. 3. There are many different kinds of market participants operating in the stock markets. 4. SEBI is the regulator of the securities market in India. They set the legal framework and regulate all entities in the market. In the next episode, we will cover the topic Initial Public Offering. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Also, don't forget to like our Facebook page